today I'm doing the MC Blue editing book for 2E, practice 27, page 27. There are 2 lines which are correct. Find 8 errors. Make sure that you've attempted the questions before you watch this video. So the first 2 lines are correct. Find the 8 errors. First, you have to read the first line to know what is the dominant tense. So Wendy was feeling nervous. It was the first day of school. So how do you know what's the dominant tense? You know the dominant tense by identifying the verb. So the verb is was feeling nervous. It was her first day. Okay, she had worked hard. Okay, and so you know that the dominant tense is past tense. All right, so I'll just write down the past tense here. Okay, let's continue. Okay, so let's see whether there's error in the second line. She had worked hard to enter this secondary school, and her hard work had paid off. Okay, I noticed that this is past perfect tense, so this is wrong. Okay, but let me just continue reading and see whether if there are any other possible mistake. However, she realized, right, that she was now surrounded by high achievers. So, past tense of pay is paid, right? Past tense should be kept small p. Okay, let's continue. Was surrounded. Okay, so this is correct. By high achievers, plural form, correct. Once she had been told by her parents that she should work hard in order to compensate for her lack of natural aptitude. So aptitude means talent. Okay, going back to the third line, had been told. Okay, so after the verb had, it should be a participle form. So the participle form should be, instead of being, should be been, B-E-E-N, been. So that is the participle form. Right. Continue. Just now I noticed that this is should. After should, this particular model, it should be in base form. So base form for works is work. Okay, so that's base form of the verb. Next, as a result, Wendy did not have, okay, did not have is correct, base form, a very high self-esteem. However, she did possess great resilience, and this, it was, okay, after did should be base form. Okay, after did, it should be base form. So, should be possess, base form. Okay, let's continue. This quality that allowed her, allowed seems correct, to excel after 2 base forms, correct, in her study. The class were quietly waiting for their teacher. Class, I noticed that this is singular subject. After that, that should be singular verb. So let me just highlight that. Singular subject, it should be singular verb. Singular verb should be was. Okay, singular verb. Okay. Continuing. After 2, Arrived. Okay, I notice. After 2. This is a mistake here. Okay, after 2, it should be base form. Base form for arrive is without ed. Base form. Okay, continue. And unlike her previous classmates, okay, so this is correct, plural form, her new friends were already reading their books. Were already reading. So that is actually correct. Friends, also correct. Were, plural form. Some were on their laptop reading the latest news articles. Slowly, Wendy's nervous turned to fear. Okay, fear is a noun. So here should be a noun too. Okay. Another clue that I have is Wendy's. So after Wendy's, this possessive noun indicate that the noun should follow. Okay, Wendy's, something about Wendy, so that the thing should be a noun, right? Nervousness. That should be a noun. Turn to fear. Okay. She was afraid that she would not fit in. Okay, correct. What had made school life boring in the past? Okay, this should be wrong. Okay, it should be something that describes Wendy's school life. Something that describes Wendy's school life would be an adjective. So an adjective for the verb bear will be bearable. Okay, so that's an adjective, bearable. Okay. Oh, let's see whether if 9 and 10 are really correct. Okay. In the past was the fun she had with her friends in school. Seeing her classmates' serious demeanors made her question. Demeanors means behavior. Edie would enjoy such activities. Her teacher entered the classroom. Okay. So, taking a deep breath, Wendy whispered to herself, life begins anew. Let me start now. I don't see any errors, so I would say that 9 and 10 are correct. Okay.